What's going on, people? Here with another breakdown reassemble from P.I.H.I.G Go Defense. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. Alright, I have here a 9mm P.I.H.I.G Sauer Sp2022. So before we break it down, must make sure the firearm is clear. So first thing I'm gonna do, picking the firearm up, keeping my finger off the trigger, keeping it at a safe angle. First thing I want to do is release my magazine. So right here is my magazine release button. Press that, check, clear. Next, I want to rotate the firearm to where I can see in my chamber here. And see, on this particular firearm, usually this would be considered an SS, but they call this particular pin slide catch lever. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull back on the slide, pushing this up, and it's gonna hold the slide up where you can check and make sure that the firearm is clear. Clear, clear, clear. And still keeping my finger off the trigger. Next thing you wanna do is there is a little indentation on this other side. You're gonna push the pin through. And once you push that pin through, pull back a little bit. And once you get it right there in that little spot, you can pull it out. Easy. Okay, and this little lever right here is your decocking lever. So you can press that to decock firearm properly. Okay, frame, recoil spring, barrel, slide, and you're done. Putting it back together, slide, barrel, drop this in there, put it in the right way. Okay, come back, recoil spring, it's a little notch here. Once you put it in here, line that notch up. Okay, come back, frame, slide, line it up. Okay, next, putting the slide lever back in. So what you want to do, you're going to drop that pin through there. Next, you want to, once you drop that in there, you want to pull back. Once you get to that first notch, you can push the pin through. It's going to click. Okay, and you're done. Let's see, this decocking lever here. So, if you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. Peace.